is 56% of millennials communicate through social media. Do you agree? If you don't like a service, you just put it on Facebook and everybody knows about it. Or Twitter, right? It's a fact. It's just the way it is, right? Number 3, they will outnumber you people, Generation X, by 2023. They're catching up, all right? And lastly, but more importantly, they'll outspend baby boomers in the next 3 years. So they are the future, you are, okay? So we have to kind of update the operating system and how we manage them. We can't use old school, it doesn't work anymore. Make sense? So let's get started in terms of what drives them. I'm going to share with you something called the IKEA effect in a second, but before I discuss that in detail, what do you think really drives, I'm going to ask you people, that'd be better to get your perspective. What do you think actually drives them to work? What drives them, engages them? What motivates them? I hear innovation. Is she correct? Innovation? Okay, that's good. I take that. That's good.
iPhone 6.
iPhone 6. Is that correct? iPhone 6?
I'm not giving you one.
Maybe. Good answer. I wonder if it's correct, the answer. To be creative, innovation. I see a theme there. Would you agree? Yes? No? What do you think? It's not innovation?
Those are classic answers that you talk about. I tend to believe that young people